Leukocytes are divided into two groups of cells, granulocytes and agranulocytes. These names refer to the presence and absence of granules in the cytoplasm. These granules contain enzymes and chemicals, which can be released by exocytosis, and are particularly effective against bacterial, fungal, and parasitic pathogens. Granulocytes include cells such as neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. The names of these cells actually refer to the way that the cells appear after staining with certain chemicals. Agranulocytes include the lymphocytes, which are responsible for antibody production, immune system modulation, and targeted killing of infected cells. Monocytes, which are phagocytic cells in the bloodstream, become macrophages in tissues. Many tissues have resident populations of macrophages with specific names, such as microglia in the central nervous system, Langerhans cells in the skin, and osteoclasts in bone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.